welcome to the channel. How are you guys doing? I'm putting on some lotion really fast because my hands are so dry. We are on a mission today. My sister's birthdays are like in 3-4 days from now. Yeah, and I have 0 gifts. I tried vlogging yesterday, you guys, and it was such a freaking fail. Like, I did not find anything. My sisters gave me their like birthday wish list. I have my sisters write me a birthday / Christmas list every single year, and I just go based off this. So that is my first sister's, and then my second sister, this is her wish list. So I'm like, okay, I have a lot of options, so we're gonna figure it out. Another thing, it's also Christmas, so it's like their birthday in like 3-4 days, and then a week and a half later it's Christmas. I'm like, girl. So if you hear my bank account screaming, no you didn't. I'm going to change really quickly. I think I'm gonna change my earrings. I don't know if these are a little much. I think they are. I'm gonna go with something like super comfy, very plain. I'm not gonna like dress up. I think I'm just gonna wear like a sweatshirt and some joggers, some Uggs, some sneakers. I'm gonna get dressed really quick and we're gonna go pick up my friends. So I'll see you guys when I am out the house. I'm home now and I just got back from walking my dog. My makeup is so freaking ugly right now. Or does it look okay? My eye has been bothering me ever since I left the Grove. I was driving and I'm like, dude, my eye is like hurting me. Putting my hair up really quick. We had a good shopping day. I have like all my little shopping bags and stuff right here. I want to show you guys everything. I want to do like a little haul. So let me get myself situated and let me take care of my dog really quick. I am out of breath. I'm like, oh my gosh. I also want to shower. I feel like after a really long day, you just want to shower. I feel like I need to. Does the makeup look okay? It does. It kind of looks okay. I feel like because I had my makeup on all day, my freaking face is itching me. I need to take this makeup off. But y'all, can you believe that my makeup brush fell on the toilet? So we went to Pottery Barn because there's a Pottery Barn now by the farmer's market. If you guys been to the Grove, you guys know where the farmer's market is. And I was using the restroom. I lifted up my bag and I guess my makeup like brush was like sticking out and it fell on the toilet. I'm so sad. Like, I have a backup of that brush, but it's just not the same. Like, I'm gonna have to break it in and I'm sad about that. I got gifts for my co-workers. I don't know if I should show you guys my sister's gifts, because what if I upload this video and you guys, my sisters are like the only ones that watch my videos. I don't want them to see. What should I do? I was able to find some really cute cards for my sisters. I got this tinseltini. This is like an espresso martini, and then this is a happy birthday vintage cake. These were $3.99 from HomeGoods. So for my co-workers, I picked up a bunch of these Cocoa Kind lip balms. I love these. They're my favorite lip balms literally ever, and I like them because you can use them as like a bag charm. Watch, let me show you. Can you guys see? You can add them to your bag, your keys, and I just have mine like this, but I carry one of my lip balms everywhere with me. Lemmy has these gift sets and it comes with a set of 3 and it's different Lemmy's but mini. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this would be perfect. I can give them one of these, a lip balm, like a chocolate. That would be so cute. I picked up these little gift bags from Target. I believe these were $3. I figured that I can give my co-workers like a lip balm, a mini Lemmy, and then add like a chocolate or like a little keychain with their initial on it. I'm still like debating exactly what I'm going to do, but I got those little gifts out of the way. I was a little stressed because I'm like, what do I get my coworkers? I kind of want to get them all the same thing, because throughout the years I have gotten them different things and I'm like, they always like each other's stuff. So I'm gonna get them all the same thing, and this is stuff that they're actually going to use. And those are some of the items that I purchased today. It was a successful shopping trip. I am going to go shower. I really want to go to this Christmas restaurant. They close really late. They close like at 2 a.m. so I might go, but my eye has been bothering me so much. So if I do end up going, I think I'm gonna redo my makeup and just not put on like any mascara or do anything crazy. I am going to try to nap. I don't think I'm gonna be able to nap, but I'm gonna hang out with my dog, shower, and if we do end up going to the little Christmas restaurant, I'll include it in this video. I really want to go, so I'm gonna try my best to not be lazy because I don't want to wait. The closer that it gets to Christmas, I think it's gonna get even more packed. So yes, if we do end up going to the Christmas restaurant, I'll include it here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Girl, are you up? The way that I rolled out of bed, put on a bold red lip, and got ready, I really did not want to miss going to this restaurant. They do not take reservations, so I do not want to wait closer to Christmas to visit because I was not about to wait in line. But oh my gosh, this place was so worth it. I waited like about 15 minutes to be seated. They had a dedicated menu for drinks, food. Everything was decorated so nicely. I kid you not, every corner had like a Christmas decoration. The food was amazing. I got a hot chocolate because I don't drink, but if you do drink, they let you take some of the shot glasses home, and I believe it's included in the price. I didn't think the food was going to be as good as it was. These little empanadas with the gravy sauce was amazing. We also got hot wings, but I don't think I took a video of that. I was just trying to get footage of the decor so you guys can see everything, but overall it was such an amazing experience and I loved it so much. Bye! I'll see you guys later and happy holidays.